like.
This is Kevin.
If you're new here, my name is Ruben. I basically travel to hang out with my subscribers, talk to people, and film it to show you that you can talk to anyone.
You look very pretty. Oh, you're working? So you're not from here? Oh, that's really cool. The aesthetic looks nice, you know. Trying to practice. All right then, season finale.
Okay, Kevin, we're back at it.
All right,
day three. Any last word before we start?
Wish me luck, guys. Let's do this. Final episode. Let's go. Oh, excuse me? Hello. Hi, you're really pretty.
Oh, thank you.
How you all doing? Where you off to?
Detroit.
Oh, the train?
Detroit.
Oh, what was that?
Detroit.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, wait. You're now?
Yeah. We're on our way back.
Oh, so you're not from here?
No, we're from Detroit.
Oh, that's cool. So how long did you guys stay here? Oh. Was it fun? How'd you like
Yeah,
it?
was really fun, yeah.
Is it your first time or multiple
It's
times?
my first time. My first time.
Oh, that's really cool.
Yeah.
So what you guys do for what places did you see?
We just hung around like East Village and Soho.
Oh, that's nice.
So, all like the main stuff.
Okay, that's chill. All right, well, I'm glad you guys enjoyed your time here then.
Yeah.
All right, have a good yeah. Safe travels. Oh man, I was mad nervous.
That was good.
Yeah, it was definitely. And she was walking away too, so I faced my demon with people walking away. So that was nice,
and I kind of just wished you still had like gone for it.
Yeah.
You know. So just next time, just go for it. You know, you never know what life has around the corner.
Yeah.
So,
oh, excuse me. Hello. You look very pretty.
Oh, thanks. I really gotta go.
Oh, you're in a rush? Yeah. Okay. All right. Have a good one then.
I really think that you need to work on your excuse me.
Right.
Actually, yeah, say something else. Just to see if you can like grab the attention more. You know.
Hey, I thought you were really pretty. I wanted to come say hi. Oh, I said I thought you were really pretty. I wanted to come say hi.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, what is that? Oh, I thought you were reading. Are you sketching?
No, I wrote down a surf shop I'm trying to get to. I'm trying to find it.
Oh, you surf?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
I've never surfed before. Is it? Oh, wow, I'm assuming it's fun if you're doing it.
Yeah.
That's really cool.
Do you live out here?
Yeah, I live in the neighborhood.
Nice.
What about you? You live around here? Or?
I'm from San Diego, but I've been living in Hawaii.
Oh, that's really cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, with the surfing too, that must be really nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, are you visiting or something?
I'm actually on my way to Spain. This is a layover.
So you travel a lot then. That's really cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah.
Okay. How often are you in, or do you come to New York?
This is my first time here.
Oh, really? Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just a layover.
What's your first impression then?
It's definitely really different from Hawaii because I just came from there, but I like it.
Oh, that's cool.
I like to be busy and it's a busy atmosphere.
Yeah. Always stuff going on. You hear it right now, all the loud music and everything. It's really nice. Yeah.
What's your name?
Kevin. Yours? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
If you ever, back in New York, maybe we could hang out sometime.
Yeah, for sure.
What's your number?
It's
Okay.
if I'm back here, I'll let you know.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah.
So have a good rest of your trip.
Thank you.
I hope you enjoy Spain.
Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Have you ever been to Spain before?
No.
Oh wow! So you're just checking a whole bunch of places.
them all out,
Yeah. All right. Well, have a good one.
Yeah, you too.
All right. See you. Yeah. First one, man. Let's go. Yeah.
Oh my god, that's so nice, bro.
Yeah.
Damn. Boom.
Yeah. She seemed really cool. It was really nice.
Finally, I was so afraid I was gonna have to do day 4. Like, I'm tired of being in with him.
Honestly, that was great. Like, I really, like.
And it's funny because you didn't say excuse me.
It was the excuse me. That's what it is, I guess. Yeah. Oh, excuse me. Hey, I thought you were really pretty, so I wanted to come say hello. How you guys doing? Oh, you're working?
A little bit in a rush.
Oh, you're in a rush? All right then. Have a good one.
So how was
The
it?
excuse me creep back up.
Every time you start with the same line. Try as
Right.
much as you can to make every interaction slightly different to make sure that you're like really present and you're not just like spitting a line. Okay.
Right. Oh, hey. Sorry. I thought you were really pretty, so I wanted to come say hello.
Thank you.
What you guys up to today?
I have a boyfriend, I'm sorry.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, have a good one. The reception was definitely warmer.
Yeah, I also felt that her reaction was warmer.
Right.
But I really now So good. Now you stop saying excuse me. That's good. Now your next step is stop going in the past tense. When you say, oh, I saw you, I thought I wanted to come say hello, it makes it seem like it's a huge deal. Just talk in the present tense.
Right.
Okay? I mean, I can definitely see progression. At least you're not getting slapped like in the episode 1.
Hey, how you doing? Oh, hey, how you doing? Oh, you're really pretty. What you up to?
I'm working right now.
Oh, you're working?
That's good.
Okay, where you work at?
I work at an agency.
Oh, that's cool. So you do like remote work and stuff or something? Oh, okay. That's nice. Well, enjoy the nice weather out here then. All right, take care. Oh, hey, I know you're busy right now, but we should get a drink sometime. If you're down. Okay. All right. Okay. Nice meeting you. Too passive once again.
Yeah,
not cracking any jokes.
Even your tone of voice, it's like honey. It's too honey. It's too like mellow. Like it's like, you know, you kind of like, yeah, you know, like, hey, what's up?
Right.
You know, you're too bland. You know, it's like you put something in your mouth. There's no, you know, like, you know, you're here. You're talking to her. Like, be here. You know, talk to her. Like, you mean it. You know. What is your book about? You don't like anyone?
No, it's about like the different personality types and like how to deal with people.
Oh, I see.
But it's a
who are the idiots? Is it,
I mean,
like everyone but
it
you?
really depends, you know? I guess it really depends how you look at it.
You said it's about different personality types?
Yeah.
You ever read a book called How to Win Friends and Influence People?
No, but I've heard about it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I just finished reading it. It's really good.
Okay.
He's looking for friends, so he's been trying to do some reading.
Yeah, I'm putting the book back.
Where are you currently dealing with complicated people in your life? So you went to the library and picked it up?
No, not really. I'm in grad school now, so I just don't have anything to do. So I was like, might as well.
So you just pick up some reading?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
What about you guys? What do you do? So where are you guys from? You sound French.
I'm French, yeah. Where are you from?
From Prague.
From Prague. Oh, nice. I went in high school with my ex-girlfriend at the time, and I had there the best apple strudel I've ever had in my life at this hotel. There's the Paris Hotel, the nice hotel, and wow, the apple strudel there, I still to this day remember it. How long have you been in the US?
I moved in August, so not that long.
Oh,
Less
so
than a
it's
year.
very, very recent.
Yeah.
You have a very polished English though.
Oh, thank you. I mean, I went to international schools my whole life, so it would be weird if I didn't.
No, but you
So what inspired you to move here?
I mean, I always wanted to live in New York, so kind of fulfilling my 14-year-old dream. What about you? Are you from New York? Or?
Yeah, born and raised here. Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah. I was born in
New Yorker.
Brooklyn. Yeah. I want to travel though. It'd be nice to like see some other places.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Must have been interesting growing up here.
You get a little used to it and a little tired, but
Right.
but there's no place like home. I couldn't picture like being like living somewhere else.
Yeah, no, I get that.
I haven't been everywhere, but I feel like there's no city that really
Yeah.
comes close in terms of like how many people there is.
No,
and
that's true.
so many different people from so many different like walks of life.
Yeah. I've definitely had some of the most fun things happen to me here in the past year than I had anywhere else.
Yeah. So besides New York, what other places have you been? Boston, you said, I think?
I've been to, where have I been? I've been to LA a bunch this year because my boyfriend lived there, so I was visiting him quite a lot. San Francisco to see the family. I went to Vegas when I was 6. That was great.
Did you like LA?
It's alright.
I think it's really weird.
I prefer New York.
I don't like it.
LA.
It's not a city.
No, no. There's nice parts, but everything between those nice parts is really shitty. I also love New York because it's such an aesthetic place.
Street malls.
Yeah.
Like that's such an abomination.
Oh wow, you guys have crushed my LA dreams.
I'm like, fuck LA.
I can imagine it's a lot of like traffic and driving around too, though, right?
Yeah, like way too much. Like
I feel like the moment where you see the most people around you is at the red light. And then you see people in their cars and like you want to say something, but
the
like,
windows are down. You're like, oh.
So is marketing like sales or like a little different? Like
It's more like social media. yeah, like search engine stuff. Like I don't know.
So you're gonna be TikTok famous, or more behind the scenes?
More behind the scenes, I think.
You're gonna tell other people to be TikTok famous.
Exactly. I'm gonna make, if you do this now, no, you're doing it wrong. I mean, I'd personally love to go into like luxury fashion marketing, but that in and of itself is very competitive. But I might end up in Paris if New York doesn't work out.
Yeah, maybe London.
Yeah, maybe London. I think Paris is the first step, though.
Really?
Yeah. I think I like it, yeah.
You're one of those person who thinks Paris
Yeah.
is an amazing place.
I can't speak French,
Yeah.
like at all, but I'll learn.
I don't know if it's. I have PTSD from Paris.
All right. You destroyed my dreams of LA. Don't do Paris now next.
Let's
Sorry.
go.
Yep.
Let's go. I'm done. Nice to meet you. What's
All
your
right.
name? Ruben. Pleasure.
Kevin. Nice to meet you. All right, have a good one.
Good
See
one.
you guys
Yeah,
around.
me
On day one, I felt afterwards a bit like depressed.
Impressed.
Yeah.
In what sense?
That like, I don't know. I guess I was expecting too much. Hey. Oh, hello. How are you?
Good, thank you.
Thought you were really pretty. Just wanted to say hi.
Okay.
What book are you reading? The White Album. What's that about? Okay, that sounds interesting. Do you like reading about like certain places and like older periods of times and stuff? Like, I feel like New York in '60s would be pretty interesting. Yeah. And you reading out here in the sun? You like doing anything else in the park, or you just reading?
I'm just reading.
Okay. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah. I was reading this book recently, How to Win Friends and Influence People.
Yeah, no, I know that one. Yeah.
Yeah, trying to practice. What other books do you like reading? You ever get like distracted out here with all like the noise and stuff, or?
No, I just hold headphones in.
Oh yeah, yeah, that's smart. Yeah. So you from around here? Oh, the UK. Okay, that's cool. Mm. So, are you here visiting, or do you like?
Yeah, I'm visiting my friend.
Okay. Well, I mean, we should hang out sometime, maybe. Okay. All right. It's cool. Well, I hope you enjoy the rest of your book then. Nice talking to you.
Yeah,
All right. Have a good one. The conversation went well and it was nice, but when I said we should hang out, it was so shaky.
So shaky.
Yeah. Yeah, so that's like the only
That's
thing
the
that
definition
I.
of a bad actor, you know. It's
Right,
like,
yeah.
Like the line is kind of there, but like there's no like you can tell that it's all bullshit.
Yeah, there was definitely no faith in that one.
You seem very anxious about like saying something, and there is literally like there is not 1 second of like a blank moment. You know, you always it feels like you're trying really hard to like not run out of like things. You know what I
Right,
mean?
yeah.
Just relax. You know, just chill.
Yeah, I got really nervous
You know,
about like.
just take it easy.
Right. Oh, hello. Hey. I thought you were really pretty, so I just wanted to come say hello. Oh, what you up to? Okay. Oh, where you work at? Oh, here? Oh, so you're all on like break or something?
I just work for the venue.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's really cool. I like the pictures up there and stuff. The aesthetic looks nice in there. Okay, well, have a good one. Yeah, that one I felt too mellow and cordial, but I was also kind of like tired and stuff too. So
Yeah, I mean it's been a while,
Yeah.
so maybe it's time to call it a day. But I mean,
Yeah.
yeah, you're too mellow, like
Yeah.
period, not just right now.
Well, I kind of just made the same mistake again of like when she said she was like busy and working and stuff. I kind of took it as like, oh, well, I'm not really interested, when I should have like.
Okay, so go back, just like when it's
Alright.
just straight line. You go back, say, hey, I'll let you work, but let's get a drink next week.
Okay,
Just
yeah.
try that.
All right. Well, hello again. I'm sorry, I'm gonna let you work, but I was just wondering if you wanted to maybe get a drink sometime.
I'm actually serving a lot of things.
Okay.
I appreciate it.
All right.
That was nice.
All right. Have a good one. Once again, same thing. Like just
You
Oh, I
said-
wonder.
I was wondering if maybe you want to get a drink.
Uh-huh.
No one's gonna say yes to this. So, do you have anything to tell people who are watching this video right now?
Yeah, I mean, this is a lifestyle change. It's not about just like the subscriber challenge. And I was telling Ruben this as we were walking and stuff. It's not about just like doing it to like, you know, challenge. Well, it is you challenging yourself, but for the most part, like it's really like a lifestyle change. You know, it's kind of like, you know, when you diet and you go to the gym, you know, you're not gonna see the changes right away. And it isn't about like just going once and doing it once, and you know, it's like doing it regularly. So, you know, not censoring yourself, it's not something that you learn to do right away, but it's something that's like, you know, something you gotta, it's like a whole lifestyle difference that you gotta work with.
Any last word?
I encourage y'all to do the same, man. Just go out there and do it.